How to search journal Quartile score. The journal Quartile can be searched from two sources, ISI Web of Science and Scimago Journal Rank. We will start to searching journal Quartile score in ISI Web of Science. Go to website of the library. Select menu on the top, select menu database, and select all database. Log in by username C account. The search resource page will display all database online subscribed by the library. Select to ISI Web of Science. Key in publication name in the box. Click Search. The search resource will display the list of articles in this publication name. Click on the journal name. The journal Quartile score will be displayed. Next, we will search journal Quartile score in Scimago Journal Rank. Search by publication name or number ISSN. Click Search. And then click on the publication name. The display will show the Quartile score in the table. If you have any question, contact us using the Ask a Librarian chat on website of the library.